Is the market breathing a sigh of relief? Are investor sentiments shifting as we approach the Federal Reserve's final move of the year? Good morning, listeners, and welcome to a new episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, here to walk you through the latest twists and turns of the financial markets. So let's dive right in. Tuesday's midday trading brought some good cheer for the U.S. stock market, with key indices firmly in the green. The Dow Jones Industrial Average enjoyed a modest rise of about 0.4%, climbing more than 100 points. Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500 saw a 0.3% increase. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite wasn't far behind, jumping by around 0.5%. This upward trend followed a significant milestone achieved on Monday when all three major gauges closed at their highest levels since the early days of 2022. The spotlight yesterday was on the Consumer Price Index report. It indicated a slight uptick in prices, about 0.1% over last month, and a year-over-year increase of 3.1%. This data is pivotal as it arrives just before the Federal Reserve's final policy meeting of 2023. Investors are eagerly anticipating a pause in rate hikes, as indicated by the central bank's upcoming two-day meeting. However, there seems to be a shift in trader sentiment, with a reduction in bets for a rate cut come March. One key aspect to keep an eye on is the core CPI reading, which excludes food and energy prices. If this number proves to be more stubborn than anticipated, it could lead investors to reconsider their expectations about when the Fed might start reducing rates. Following the CPI report, we saw a slight pullback in U.S. bond yields, with the 10-year Treasury yields dipping by about 3 basis points, hovering near 4.21%. In corporate news, Oracle shares took a hit, dropping over 10% after the company's second quarter sales fell short of market expectations. That's all for today's market update. Remember, staying informed is your best strategy in these dynamic economic times. Thanks for joining me on Capital Markets Quickie. I'll catch you all in tomorrow's episode. Have a good one.